If you are a TVS motor enthusiast, you might have noticed that this truck is already here, and all the amazing merchandise from the House of TV are available here. You can check them out, and the ones you are not able to find here, you can check out through the website as well, where
It's an honor that you're sharing the stage here today, and we, biker community, we are totally excited. Please tell us on the all-new beauty right here.
First of all, so happy to be here amongst all of you. You know, I always say this, I'm a biker first, then an actor, then a producer, but it's always a biker first. So more power to our community. More power to all of us, and we should be allowed to park where we want to in all 5-star hotels, and we shouldn't be allowed to park outside because we should have our right of way. But you know, it's so encouraging to see so many bikers here. So thank you for being here, first of all. Thank you for making this community far more powerful, and it's an honor to be here.
Inspired by 2006 Aprilia 20,000 but about this beauty, Jonathan, come on, make some noise. I think the holiest
Let me introduce Giuseppe. He's the marketing head of Aprilia, and we're here together. Just to let you know, honestly, I've not come here as an actor, nothing. You understand best. I've come here as a biker. We're all one. It's great to see you guys. Very importantly, I'm also here for Aprilia. Giuseppe is here, and we want to introduce the special edition, the Tuono 457. This, not because I'm standing here in these colors, but this is my daily commute when I go to the gym back home in Mumbai. I enjoy this ride. Of course, Giuseppe is there to tell you about the twin parallel, but this is different because we pulled up the handbars by about 10 mm. You can actually see it here. The hose has been pulled up by another 5. This greater travel in the shocks. You guys get this, but Giuseppe, I'll hand this over to you.
Yes, thank you, John. Thank you very much for your passion for bikes and for Aprilia.
Excited about these features, and honestly, for all you guys who would probably want to sit on the tonneau, the 10 mm makes a huge difference, especially to slightly shorter riders also. I think it's fantastic. It's really, really comfortable. And I think the chassis are green. Of course, the market's already flooded, but I think this is the best twin panel that we have here. It's absolutely outstanding. And I say this because I love motorcycles. I really enjoy this. I can speak about this all day. I can then speak about the RS457, but we're here for this. And I'm really excited about both these colors. I love the Black Mamba. I really love this color because I love black. And we've been watching, I watched the MotoGP from Friday on, so we've been following Aprilia in the MotoGP. It's been really exciting. And we have a race today. I'm sure all you guys know. We have a race at 6:30 at 5:30, sorry, at 5:30 in the evening. So get a chance, just watch it. It's a great track. I've been to that track, and a very interesting bit of trivia. This track is in Czechia, in Czech Republic, in Brno, and this is a track where I first met Valentino Rossi. We were both discussing ballet, and I mean, he is the greatest of all time. He's GOAT. He's fantastic. So, great to be here again with all you guys. Such a pleasure, such an honor. I'll let the MC do her job. Thank you.
Yes, we have. Now everybody, hearts on top, hearts on top. And then in Bengaluru roads, which is the one you would choose?
Nice road.
Johnson, helmet side. Johnson. kana